Hey everybody. In this video I'm going to go and work on something called a box plot. Some people call it box and whisker plots. So this is going to be sort of a review. I'm going to go through it and show you how to work on the TI-84, and you can pretty much answer any of these questions with your calculator. And I'm going to work on a problem from Delta Math, and I gave you a short assignment in here in Delta Math. So all right, so the first thing is, let's talk about how these things are made and what they are, okay? Now, they give us a data set here, and you always want to count the number of entries. And that's smart because you can make a typo in your calculator and it'll give you a totally false reading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know we got 15 items. All right, the minimum, and these are, it looks like these are already in order for us. So we can see the minimum and you can see the maximum. And where that lives on the number line here is those are the, this is going to be your max and this is going to be your min. All right, so you know your min is already a 1 and your max is a 19. All right, now the median in Q1 and Q3 we can find with the calculator, and that's really what I wanted this video to be about. So I'm going to open up my TI-84 here, and I'm going to the Stat menu and Edit. And as you can see in L1, I've already entered these in here. Okay, so this is that data set. And when you remember how I counted them and I said there's 15 of them, well, that's how you check yourself. Okay, so this should be okay. All right, let's go back to your Stat. And I'm going to calculate a one variable statistic. All right, so here comes my data. And let's see, this is telling me my min, see it right there? And it's giving me my Q1, which is 5. I got to bring it back up. I need to see what, median is 10 and Q3 is 18. Okay, so let me put those in. 10 and Q3 is 18. All right, now let me show you how to make this plot with your calculator. And if you wanted to see it yourself, you would go to second y equal. You're going to turn your plot on, and you're going to choose the type of graph you want. And we want that guy right there. And then we're going to go zoom 9. And there's your box and whisker plot, or your box plot. Okay? So ours should look something like this when we're done. And I think there's a way you can get these values, but I'm not sure how it's done. Anyway, we already know the value from here. So let's adjust this one to make it work. So we got a 1 here. The first quartile is this number right here. So this needs to be slid back to 5. The median is already on the right spot somehow. And this guy needs to be slid over here to 18. And let's see if that agrees with what our calculator picture shows us. All right. All right, let's see. All right, so, and if somebody asks you for an interquartile range, that's Q3 minus Q1. Of course, the range is 19 minus 1, which is 18. And those things like that. Let's see if this thing's right. Yeah. And you can read their little instructions, and they try to kind of go back and tell you how to do it by hand. So I hope you find this video helpful. And you only have to do 5 of these, so you'll have some experience with these now. All right. Thanks for watching.